And to health intervention matters, the United Nations Children's Fund says it remains committed to the well-being of children and will continue to support government in northeast Nigeria. UNICEF Chief of Field Office in Maiduguri, Tusha Rani, gave this assurance during a child malnutrition and media dialogue in Maiduguri, Borno State. Senior reporter Jesse Tafida has details.
The United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, say 2.6 million people are displaced internally in northeast Nigeria. Among this figure, 400,000 children are at risk of losing their lives as a result of acute malnutrition. To address this problem, UNICEF had resolved to increase the scope of its nutrition intervention.
So we will focus on the prevention component of it, and we have screening, as I mentioned, about the mid-upper arm circumference, etc., and an integrated package of services with the government and with the organization. That will be our focus, and should the child get malnourished, of course the therapeutic foods, etc., will be the key to address the issues of malnutrition.
According to the 2023 Lean Season Nutrition and Food Security Surveillance, an estimated 511,807 children under 5 in Borno, Yobe and Adamawa are suffering from severe acute malnutrition annually, which requires an urgent intervention to save their lives.
About 2.5 million children received vitamin A, just for an example. That means access is not that grave concern. So if the access is there, and the first 1,000 days includes just exclusive breastfeeding, which is very important, followed by complementary feeding, and to be able to take a child till 2 years of age, I think much of it will be done.
We are providing counseling cards. The counseling cards is in a pictorial form, which the mothers will look at the pictures, or then they will be able to interpret it. And we have the lead mother who is trained on the counseling cards, and she is the one facilitating the group. So in every group, the mothers will decide when to meet. Others are meeting twice a month.
At the end of the program, UNICEF had a media dialogue and capacity building sessions for journalists. The training focuses on how best to report humanitarian issues, especially of children in the region. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Maiduguri.